Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. I'm your host, and today we've got something essential for anyone who owns a Brother printer. The cool toner TN433 toner cartridge replacement. These toner cartridges might just be the solution to your printing needs, and we're here to dive deep into their features and benefits. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk compatibility. The cool toner TN433 toner cartridge replacement is designed as a perfect replacement for the Brother TN433 series. Whether you have the TN433BK, TN433C, TN433M, or TN433Y cartridges, or even the standard yield TN431 series, these cartridges have you covered. These cartridges are compatible with a range of Brother printers, including the MFCL8900CDW, MFCL8610CDW, HLL8360CDW, and HLL8260CDW. Whether you're in a home office or a busy workplace, these cartridges are ready to meet your printing demands. Now, let's talk page yield. The cool toner TN433 series cartridges offer high-yield performance. The black cartridge can print up to 4,500 pages, while each color cartridge can produce up to 4,000 pages. These numbers are based on a 5% coverage area, which is a standard measurement for page yield. One of the great things about these cartridges is how easy they are to install. They're fully compatible with your Brother printer, and you can have them up and running in no time. Say goodbye to the hassles of complex installation procedures. Now, some of you might be wondering about quality. Well, fear not. Cool Toner is known for delivering OEM quality products. These cartridges provide sharp, vibrant prints with every use, maintaining the high standards you expect from your Brother printer. In summary, the cool toner TN433 toner cartridge replacement is the perfect solution for your Brother printer. With their high page yields, compatibility with a range of Brother models, and OEM quality prints, you'll be all set for your printing needs. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in getting these cool toner cartridges for your Brother printer, we've provided a link in the video description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. And if you've already used these cartridges, share your experience in the comments section. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.